The notion that long-distance train travel is a thing of the past, especially in the U.S., is being challenged by Amtrak. With growing interest from travelers, the U.S. National Rail Company is shifting its focus and investing heavily in improving its long-distance service. This includes enhancing iconic routes like the California Zephyr, which stretches from Chicago to the San Francisco Bay Area, and the Crescent, which links New York City and New Orleans. Amtrak's Texas Eagle now has an observation car. It also includes the Texas Eagle, the longest passenger train ride in America, at 2,278 miles. The route runs from Chicago to San Antonio, Texas, with an optional connector to Los Angeles, and is a major recipient of the Amtrak upgrades. The most notable upgrade from a passenger perspective is the return of Amtrak Sightseer Lounges, ACA observation cars, on the leg between Chicago and San Antonio. They reportedly returned in early March 2025 after being phased out during the pandemic. These iconic observation lounges have big picture windows and high seats that provide an unbeatable, panoramic view of the passing landscapes. The lounge on the Texas Eagle also has a staffed cafe, so travelers can enjoy a drink while watching the sunset or grab a coffee as the sun rises. The Texas Eagle is getting several other Amtrak upgrades, including enhanced onboard dining, improved ADA accessibility, and upgrades to the Texas Eagle's bi-level superliner cars, which offer a mix of coach and sleeper accommodations. Amtrak's long-distance routes are vital mobility and economic links for communities around the country, and we're continually working to enhance them. Amtrak Board Chair Tony Kasha said, "We believe in the future of our long-distance service, and we look forward to enhancing the customer experience across the Amtrak network, and further supporting U.S. manufacturing with our fleet replacement." The Texas Eagle primarily runs between Chicago and San Antonio, with stops in St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, and Austin. This daily train takes around 32.5 hours and travels 1,306 miles, but travelers can extend their journey by connecting with the Sunset Limited in San Antonio. That route runs between San Antonio and Los Angeles via El Paso, Texas, and Tucson, Arizona. The combined route is a whopping 2,728 miles, or just over 65 hours, making the Texas Eagle the longest passenger train ride in the U.S.